AnythingLLM versus Ollama. Which local AI tool is better? Choosing the right local AI tool can completely change how you enhance productivity without facing limitations. Today, we'll explore both options. AnythingLLM and Ollama are two powerful local AI tools designed to streamline your workflow. The core difference lies in their customization capabilities and user interface, impacting how users interact with AI for their specific needs. AnythingLM is an advanced local AI tool that focuses on providing users with customizable models tailored to specific tasks. It allows users to fine-tune their AI models based on unique datasets, making it ideal for businesses and developers looking for precision. The interface is user-friendly, enabling easy navigation even for those new to AI. A significant strength of AnythingLLM is its flexibility, allowing users to adapt the tool to various applications, from content creation to data analysis. However, its extensive customization options may present a learning curve for some users. AnythingLLM is best suited for tech-savvy individuals or teams who require tailored solutions for their projects. Ollama is a local AI tool known for its simplicity and ease of use. It offers pre-built models that users can deploy quickly without extensive customization. This makes Ollama an excellent choice for those who need immediate results without diving deep into AI model training. The platform emphasizes accessibility, catering to users who may not have a technical background. One of Ollama's strengths is its straightforward setup process, allowing users to get started with minimal effort. However, this simplicity comes with limitations in customization options compared to AnythingLLM. Ollama is ideal for small businesses or individuals looking for a quick and effective AI solution without the need for extensive technical knowledge. When comparing AnythingLLM and Ollama, consider your specific needs. If you require a highly customizable AI tool that can adapt to various tasks, AnythingLLM is the better choice. Its flexibility allows for tailored solutions, making it ideal for developers and businesses with unique requirements. On the other hand, if you prefer a straightforward tool that offers quick deployment and ease of use, Ollama stands out. It is perfect for users who want to integrate AI into their workflow without the complexities of customization. Ultimately, the trade-off between flexibility and simplicity will guide your decision. For those seeking extensive customization and advanced features, AnythingLLM is highly recommended. If you value ease of use and quick deployment, Ollama is the way to go. Both tools have their strengths, so choose the one that aligns best with your needs for a successful AI experience.